3 divided by 3 over 2 times 4. 2 into here 1, 2 into 4, 2. Then we are left with 3 divided by 3 times 2. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. Then we have 1 times 2. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 2 is the wrong answer to this question because according to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we are to work from our left to our right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with 3 divided by 3 over 2 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 3, change division to multiplication, then flip 3 over 2 to 2 over 3 times 4. Now we are going to simplify. 3 into here 1, 3 into itself will still give us 1. Then we have 2 times 4. 2 times 4 will give us 8. 8 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.